Hello, this is Chris from Polytech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a product grid to any section of our site using the WooCommerce plugin and the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin. To do that, we need to go over to the left where it says plugins. We are going to click on add new, and on the plugin search bar we are going to type Elementor add-ons. And this is the one we are going to use. This essential add-ons for Elementor plugin. We add some new widgets to the Elementor page builder, among them the product grid we are going to use. But we need also to have the WooCommerce plugin installed already. We have it in this case, so we are going to go with the essential add-ons. So we are going to click on install now, and then we are going to click on activate. There we go. Now we are going to go to the top, the name of the site, and we are going to click on visit site. And on the top bar we are going to click on edit with Elementor. Here we are. Now we are going to scroll down until we find an open section like this one, and on the widget search bar we are going to type product grid. And here we have the product grid from the essential add-ons for Elementor. We are going to click the left mouse button, hold, drag and release on the open section. And here on the first tab we have the product settings. We could be filtered by recent products, featured products, best-selling products, sale products and top rated products. So we are going to go with the recent one, and here we can alter it by date, product ID and so on. We are going to leave that on the date, and we can change the order from descending to ascending. Now we have the count of products. We are going to go with 3. We can change here the offset. We're going to go with the 0 here, and the number of columns we are going to use 1 to 6. We are going to go with 3. And on the products category here we can add products of certain categories. And we have the layout, default, light, and for the style presets we can change them. Here we have the default, which is the one which is used in the default store, the simple style, which looks pretty good, the reveal style, which allows us to hover over the product to show the add to cart button, and the overlay style, which we need to, as you can see, hover to show the buttons to go to the product page or add to the cart. So we are going to go with the simple style, and we can activate or deactivate the show products rated. In this case we don't have any product rated, so it will not show. And we are going to move on to the add to cart tab. Show the add to cart custom text. We can show it, and here we can change the text for the different types of product: the simple, variable, group, external and default product button text. We have simple products I mean, in this case, and we can change the text right here. We can add cart, and we have changed, as you can see. And we are going to move on. We are going to close the add to cart tab. We are going to move to the load more tab and show the load more button. And here we can change the label of the text if we want. So we are going to move to the style tab of the product grid, and here we can change the alignment of the elements of the grid, the background of the content, we can change it color here. So we're going to leave that default. To go with the white, and we can add a border. It has a border here, we can change it, add some width to it. We can select the color of the border. We can add a radius to it if we want to, and add some padding to it as well, and some shadow. So we are going to go to the color and typography. We can change the color of the titles. We can change the typography here. We can customize it here. We can change the family, change the size, add some weight to it, transform it to upper, lower, and so on. Add some style, decoration, and change the line height and the letter spacing. We have the product price here. We can change its color. We can change the typography here as well. We have some, or we can change it in the same manner of the product title. And we have for the star rating, the color, we don't have any ratings on the product, so this will not show. And for the save dash, we can change the color of the text, but we are going to clear it and leave it default. So we can change the background too as well. We're going to go with maybe a green, and change the typography also. And we can change the stock out beige, but we don't have any product in this case to show the stock out beige, but we can change it here, the color of the font, the background, and the typography as well. So we are going to move to the add bar, and here we can change the padding, the radius of the borders. We can use a gradient background, and we have the options for the hover and normal options. We can change the font. We are going to leave that white, and we can change the background as well. We are going to go with green here, and for the border we can add it here and change its color as well. Gray, and we can change the typography of the button in the same manner. So we're going to change the hover to we're going to go with an inverse option here. We are going to go with the black on the background, and we are going to go green on the borders. So we are going to move to the load more button style, which is this one right here, and we can change it, the size with the padding, add some margin, change the typography in the same manner, and we can change the colors here. We can change the color of the font as well, and we can add a border too if we want. We want PH border with green, and we can change the radius, the alignment of the button, and add some bold shadow. So on the hover we are going to go with the black maybe, and we can change the font and add a border as well. And we are going to go with this blue here. There we go. Now once we have made all the changes we want to our product grid, we need to go to the lower left and click on the update button. So that's it. We have added a product grid to any section of our site using the WooCommerce plugin and the essential add-ons for Elementor plugin. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might help on the site. See you the next time on Paletech.